Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use referral code on Shein. First, you need to open the Shein app on your mobile device. After that, tap on Me from your bottom menu. Here, tap on Share and Earn. This is your referral code, which you can share with your friends. You can simply copy it or tap on others to send it to your friends via social media apps. Tap on WhatsApp. Now select the contact to which you want to send it. When your friend will join Shein by using your referral code, you'll get a special discount on your purchase. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.